right, well, good morning to you. Looking for a fun way to celebrate Valentine's Day with the kiddos? How about whipping up semi-homemade sweet treats? Christine Nguyen, owner of the Sweet Boutique Bakery in Sugar Land, gave us some quick and easy tips. Now, on Instagram, I shared video of my 6-year-old nephew, Brody, helping me create some heart-shaped cinnamon rolls. And first up, these are so simple. All you have to do is unwind the roll, and then you will roll up the other half and make it into a heart-shaped. You bake for 25 to 30 minutes, and then you can even add frosting and put a red food drop dye inside of the frosting to make it pink. And then my nephew, I don't know if you can see this right here, he made a blue one, so they can create their own different colors. All right, next, we made cake mix cookies. I was absolutely mind blown with this one. It's easy to do. All you need to do is grab any flavor of a cake mix box. Then you add 2 eggs and a half cup of vegetable oil. So here's the key. You have to skip the water and the extra egg that the recipe on the back of the box actually calls for. Scoop them into small size balls and then bake 11 to 12 minutes. And these cookies didn't last more than 4 hours in my house. They were absolutely delicious. Okay, finally, you can make pie pops. These are a little trickier, but Christine says you can buy pre-made pie crusts and cut them into smaller circles and then fill them with canned pie filling. You just bake for 15 minutes and there you have it. And if you don't have time, you can always stop by the Sweet Boutique Bakery in Sugar Land for your Valentine's Day fix. And you guys, I'm telling you, each and every one of these treats were so delicious. And my nephew, who's 6, had a blast just mixing up all of the ingredients and baking and, of course, you know, eating everything too.
Yeah, exactly.
Of course. Favorite part, eating it all. All right.